So guys, in this particular video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how you can start making profit, making money in spot trading, even just as a beginner. Okay, if you are new in the crypto, you can use these strategies to scale up and make a lot of money on daily basis. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know about it. And we have a free Telegram group where you can join. The link is down below this video. Okay, so first of all, as a newbie or maybe an advanced trader, the first thing which you need to do is to come over. Once you have registered your account, maybe in Binance or Bybit or Mexi, any exchange you are using, first of all, what you need to do is to come over to this particular place where you are seeing losers. Okay, the reason why you are coming over to this place is to find out a coin which you need to buy to make profit, because you are focusing on a spot trade. Okay, and I believe you know what spot trade is. Okay, so and if you doesn't know how to trade, you are just a newbie, you are just coming into the market, you don't know how to buy and sell, you don't know how to enter the market, you don't know how market works, you can join my class. I have a class where I teach you step by step on how to start making money in the crypto space and also give you daily signals. Okay, so for you to join, it costs you only 30 USDT. Okay, so once you are in this particular place, the next place which you need to go is this particular place where you see spot trade. If you take a look at here, you see that we have over here we have what we call spot, we have alpha, we have future and option. So the one you need to focus your attention on it is called spot. So what do you need to do here? The first thing you need to do is to target a particular coin that have lost a huge amount of money from the market, like in a minus, just like as you can see over to this particular place. So you can see that the first coin here is called base. Okay, so we are gonna be focusing on this particular base and drift. So first of all, we need to go to this base. Okay, so now once you have find out the coin which you need to trade, this does not mean that this is the particular coin which you need to trade, but look for a one that have dipped a lot, the one that have lost a lot of percentage in a day. Okay, so the next thing is for you to go over to trading view. Okay, so if you don't know what trading view is, you can go to Play Store and download trading view. It's a place where you see in view what the market is actually giving. So now this is trading view. The next thing which you're gonna need to do is to look for that particular coin which you saw that place, which is based. Okay, so now this is based. So now once you have typed based, now the coin is gonna come out in view here, so you can see it once you have typed the based. Okay, so now you can see we have different type of base here. Okay, so we have the one on Kraken, we also have the one in Coinbase. So which of them are you gonna be focusing attention on? You will focus your attention on the one that has exchange on it. So if you come over here, since I'm using Bybit, you can see that there is a based / USDT here. Okay, so the next thing is for me to click this particular place. There is 3 targets which you need to see before you do what? Before you buy or sell this particular coin. Remember, there is 3 target which you need to meet before you buy any of this coin. That is the reason why I said it's not a must that this is the coin that you will trade. So first of all, once you have come here, then you need to come over to a place here which is at the down bottom of the place where you have clicked this particular place. Okay, so you need to come over to this place where you can be able to see. So Now remember, if you open it and go down like this and you didn't see anything here, it means that there is a particular something you need to look for, and what you need to do is to start scrolling on all these exchanges. Okay, so where you can see it right now, most especially where you can see it is in OKS. Okay, when you see based on where it is being based on OKS, okay, or is not here in OKS, then let's look for L Bank. Okay, let's look for an exchange under here called L Bank. So this is L Bank. Now let me show you what you need to look after. This is very, very important. This is exactly what you need to look after, what is called technicals. Okay, now when you come over to these technicals, you will see something that looks like this, which is this circle that you are seeing here. This is the first target you need to get. Okay, this particular target. Now when you come over to this particular place, if you see something like this, which is sell, then it means that coin you don't have to buy it, and when you see neutral, that is no, you don't need to buy it. When you see something like strong buy, you have no business with this coin. So but when you see something that looks like this arrow, which is signaling here, this arrow that is black here is pointing at this particular arrow, which is strong sell, that is, you have met the right coin to buy. Okay, now once you have seen such thing like this, then the next target which you need to meet is for you to now click this particular coin. Okay, so let me click it back on Kraken here. Now once you have clicked it over here, the next thing is for you to enter the market. Okay, which is you click trade here. Okay, so once you are in trade here, the next thing, which is the second thing you need to see, is this particular what is it called, indicator. Okay, indicator. This is an indicator. The way you see this candlestick is not actually how candlestick normally used to be. Okay, so you need to meet this particular indicator. Now once you have import this particular indicator from this particular place, you can see where they say indicator. Now once you have imported, the next thing is for you to target a deep sell. Okay, a deep sell, just like this. Let me show you. When you see something like this is a deep sell. What I'm actually talking about, when a coin just like this, when a coin goes this way, just goes down like this, then after going down, you see a green candlestick. Okay, any coin that closed like with a green candlestick, once that green candlestick get close, what you need to do is to go to your Bybit or maybe Binance. You are using Binance or Bybit. What you need to do is you go to your Binance and do what? And buy the coin. So if you take a look at this second place, you will find out that immediately there was a green candlestick here. What happened? The coin went up. Okay, at the initial stage you can see that there was a green here, then it dipped a little, then went to this particular place. If I should explain this to you, this is over here. You can see this particular place is 0.067 and the coin went to 0.072. That's a whole lot of money. I will show you what it looks like. Now if you continue going here, you will see where this thing actually happened. You will see over here, you can see from here there was a dip here. And remember, this green candlestick you are seeing here, it didn't close. It was just a little candlestick, then it dropped again. That is not what you need. You need a full candlestick to close. A full candlestick, just like this. This is a full candlestick over here. You can see. Let me show you. This is a full candlestick. You can see it. Yes, this is a full candlestick. Then after this, you can see it drop a little bit and still go up. That's a whole lot of money. So that's the second target. Now, the last target which you need to get before you enter a market The last target which you need is to make sure that the particular coin you are buying, in Bybit, it might be a minus. Yes, it might be minus 30, minus 50, minus 80, minus 10. Make sure that in trading view here, the minus here is not a minus, but it is a plus. Yes, you hear me right. Now, if you see a coin that in Bybit, the coin is minus minus 30. If you come over to trading view here, you will see that that coin is plus 1 or plus 2 or plus 10. That is how the another target you need to make. So I'm gonna give you an example of what I'm actually talking about here, so you can understand me. So you can see right now that this is I cannot buy this coin now because it doesn't meet my target. Okay, I only saw two things, which is good, which is you can see this green button here after it have gone down, then but it have not actually closed this particular candlestick. So you can see that there is nothing. I cannot buy this particular coin. So now let me show you what I mean by minus here, which is this particular place. Let me show you some coin here. So if you come back to this particular place, which is Bybit, let's say this particular coin here, you can see there is a coin called the third or the fourth coin called Elon. Okay, now, and you can see that this particular Elon here is minus 12.26%. Now let's go back to my trading view and see this Elon, which is this Elon. So this is Elon, and in crypto. So what you need to do, let's click here. So now if you take a look at this particular coin here I'm gonna show you another style of this particular coin. You see that this particular coin is minus 2, which is for today it is minus 2%, but in Bybit it is minus 12. Okay, point something, but here is 2. So what I'm gonna do, if this particular coin is what I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna wait for this particular coin to start showing a green sign here, which is plus and not minus, before I can be able to take the trade. Let me show you another example of what I'm talking about. So the next coin which we're gonna be checking right now is these two coins. Over here you can see we have these two HFT, these two coin, and me. You can see that this particular coin is at 8.59% minus and 8.65 minus. So first of all let's check this coin, which one, this one they call HAFT. Okay, so over here what you need to do is you type HFT. Okay, so you can see crypto cap, you enter the coin. So over here you can see that this particular coin is just minus 1.4% today. So what am I going to do? If it is the coin which I'm gonna be trading, I will first of all wait for it to enter at the green side, which is maybe plus 1, plus 2, plus 5, plus 10, before I dive into the market. So the second one, which is me, in that coin, which is this, that was the name of the coin. You can see it here, me. So now let's type me, and this is it. You can see it's minus 8.60 something. So over here again you can see it is at 1.5%. So I will still wait for it to, if it is the coin, which I believe you understand what I'm talking about. So this is how you can actually make money on daily basis. Okay, so if you don't want to go through this stress, what you need to do is you join our VIP group, so that you can be getting signals on daily basis, okay, and learn more on how crypto actually works. Thank you. Peace out.